Hey everybody, welcome back. This is Dare coming to you with another video, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the DC Multiverse McFarlane Wally West Kid Flash action figure. As always, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Please feel free to like, share, and subscribe to help out with the algorithm, but if you're just a returning viewer, welcome back, and I can't wait to review this figure with you. I was actually pretty stoked to find Wally at a local Walmart near me because this is the version of Kid Flash that I've been wanting to get for a while, and I wasn't going to go searching around to find him. I was just going to wait until he popped up in the stores, and luckily he did one day, so I picked him up, and definitely excited to add him to my collection because I'm really trying to fill out my Teen Titans display before McFarlane loses the license. So definitely looking forward to getting Wally out of the box and reviewing him with y'all. So what do you say we do that and get him out of the box now and have a look, shall we? So let's do it. Okay, now we got Wally out of the box so we can have a better look at him, and I definitely like what I'm seeing. They put him on that teenage male buck body that they usually do, and I appreciate that because the original classic Wally West was on that bulky adult body, and it didn't really suit the aesthetic that I would want for my Kid Flash, because I want him to be with the Teen Titans and I want him to still look like he's a teenager, and the other Wally was a little bit too bulky and buff and more adult looking, so I wouldn't want him to look like this, kind of like a carefree kid like he does in the comics. So I think that's pretty cool that they went with that buck and this design. So I do like this figure quite a bit just from what I'm seeing. And as you can see, you can get him into a lot of cool running poses with the power effects, which is really cool. All right, so out of the box, the package does come with the typical bio card with the picture and a little brief synopsis on Wally West and who he is. Then it also comes with some open running hands, which is always a cool thing to see with speedster figures. And he also comes with some lightning running effects that you can use as well. So this set actually comes with a lot of accessories, which is definitely nice to see. And of course, the usual puck stand to help Wally stand when he's running and whatnot. Okay, and I've got Wally West in hand now, and yeah, this is really cool. I do like this figure design. I always liked Kid Flash's outfit. It always looked just so different, and it really did stand out with all the yellows and the big lightning bolt in the center. So I always did really like that look on Kid Flash. So that's cool. And I do like the head sculpt as well. I mean, that's definitely classic Wally West, which I do appreciate. And it's one of those cases where reusing the same buck over and over again actually does work for these types of characters, of course, because I know we're always griping at McFarlane about reusing figures over and over again and using the same parts. But for characters like Wally West and Beast Boy and other youngsters, I think it does make sense to reuse bucks like this. Yeah, just have another look at the head sculpt, and I do like this. It does have that youthfulness that is synonymous with Kid Flash, just that carefree personality that he had. Okay, let's get some articulation out of the way real quick. So as you can see, you can look from right to left with no problems. You can look up and down pretty easily as well. All right, now arm articulation is pretty basic. The shoulders roll okay. The bicep swivel is pretty smooth. The double joint elbows as always. And got the hand and wrist articulation with no issues here. Okay, do the other shoulder as well. Bicep swivel does look nice. Okay, double joint elbows don't get stuck. That's good. Hand and wrist articulation is smooth as well. Okay, onto the ab crunch. So the ab crunch is actually really nice. So you can get them in all kinds of cool poses. Doesn't get stiff. It's very smooth, as you can see. No hindrance here at all. All right, as you can see, Wally can do the splits with no problems, which probably helps with running, of course. Okay, now doing some more leg articulation. As you can see, the double jointed knees, they don't get stuck either. So they're pretty good, pretty tight. Okay, the feet, ankle articulation is good. The toe hinge works fine as well as always. Double jointed knees, no stiffness. They move up and down like that, so not bad. Okay, Wally descends at a little bit over 7 inches. Okay, now we got classic Wally West standing with some other Wally West figures in my collection. We have 90s Wally West Flash. We also have Rebirth Wally West Flash. And lastly, we have Wally West Kid Flash from the New 52. And apparently the new 52 Kid Flash is no longer a race swap, and they retconned him to be Wally's cousin or something like that. And just for the heck of it, I thought I would try head swapping both Wally Wests onto their respective outfits, and I do like these head swaps. Redheaded Wally has worn this outfit before, so it looks perfect, and I'm not sure if Ace Wally West wears this outfit in the comics, but I do like how he looks in it too. And I couldn't end the video without having Wally with his Titans team members. So here's Wally West with the Teen Titans. So we have Connor Kent Superboy, we have Beast Boy, we have Robin, we have Raven, we have custom Cassie Sandsmark Wonder Girl, then we have Starfire, then we have Cyborg as well. So it's definitely what I want. I wanted to have Wally be able to pose with his Teen Titans members, and I think they all look pretty cool together. All right, so final thoughts on Wally West. Definitely a must-have if you're a Teen Titans fan and you missed out on the original Kid Flash that came out with the Monitor Build-A-Figure wave. I personally prefer this version over the Build-A-Figure wave Wally because he fits a lot better in with the Teen Titans versus his older design. So I would go with this one personally, but it kind of depends on your aesthetic and what you're going for in your collection. So yeah, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you later.